In this video lecture, we will look at nested if statement. Add some if statements or decision-making statements in Java programming. Java has many different types of decision-makings. We've looked at if, else if, and so many like switch statement. Now we have nested if statement. Nested if statement is a type of statement where the if condition has another if condition inside it. This means we have double of these conditions nesting into one another. When we talk about nesting, picture it in your mind like a bird nesting, making a nest, where it twinkles about all of different things and join them together in order to make its home. Therefore, in nested statement, you are putting in a decision-making statement inside another decision-making statement. So this is a clear example just very before us. Here, I create an integer value, a variable x with integer value 9, another variable y with integer value 50. Here, in the first if statement, I check if 90 is equivalent to x. Nothing will happen except if 50 is equivalent to y. Then this is go ahead and print out. This is nested if statement. Let's go ahead and run this query and see what happens. This is nested if statement is printed out. But in a case where any of these conditions fail, like 50, I'm going to save 40, go ahead and compile this, run, and you see nothing was printed on the console. But if you go back and put this back to 50 and print this, x is equal to 90 and y is equal to 50. Therefore, this is nested if statement. So this is called equivalent. So once they are equal, so it go ahead and print out this is nested if statement. I believe this is very easy. You can nest many things, as many as possible, not just one or two. You can nest multiple. So if you really understood this, or you have any question concerning nested if statement, please do well to put your question on the question and answer sections, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.